everybody, Bill here from Holidays Lane, and I'm here today to introduce you to two of our new DIY ornament kit designs that are being launched for Christmas in July 2024. Now, links to be able to order these kits are in the description of this video at the bottom there, and they will be available starting July 1st, 2024. As with all of our kits, they're available to crafters at any experience level. So you could be a newbie and a beginner and never made an ornament before, or you could be experienced but you just like the design and want to make the ornament as well. It takes about 2 hours, give or take, to complete each ornament because they are sequenced. Takes a little bit of time there. And you can do it solo, or we have people that buy several kits and they get together for the experience of doing a craft night together. What I want to do now is show you the two designs. They are called Nostalgic Peppermint and Christmas Cottage. So here they are. Let's dive into what you get in each of the ornament kits when you order them, and then we'll show you a little 360 view at the end of each of the ornaments so you get a sense as to what they look like. Let's get started. Okay, let's start off with our first new DIY ornament kit that is called Nostalgic Peppermint, and this is what the ornament looks like. What's really cute about this one is each of the sequins is a spiral sequins, and it's the first ornament that we have that uses the combination of red and silver. So this is what it looks like when it is finished, and this is the baggie that it comes in. So all of our ornament kits have step-by-step illustrated instructions, and you have a picture of it there that you can reference as you are going through and making the ornament. They come with pre-cut ribbons here. That way they're cut to the size of the foam ball. You get your 2-inch foam ball. There's a little dish here, and that is really good for putting your glass beads in. So you could pour it in here and they won't spill over the table. You get a little baggie of your little beads and baubles at the top, as well as a hanger for the ornament. You have your red swirled sequins. It definitely catches the light wonderfully on a tree, having those swirls, those ridges in it. So it's a satin sequins in a beautiful red color, and you have just enough to be a little more than what you need to do an ornament. And then we have our 3/4 inch silver sequin pins. So like I said, you have pretty much everything you need in order to make the ornament. You're just going to need a couple drops of glue as you're putting the hanger and the beads at the top in, and hopefully everybody has that ready to go, or you can grab a bottle from the dollar store. So that's our first ornament kit that is available, Nostalgic Peppermint. And let me show you the next one. Okay, and the next ornament kit that we have is called Christmas Cottage. This one has a lovely iridescent Christmas green sequins and a nice rustic red and tan khaki color kind of checked ribbon, and a really cute little bead at the top here. So just like the other kit, comes in a baggie with everything you need in order to make your ornament. We have our step-by-step instructions. that are illustrated, and again inside we have the ribbons that are pre-cut for you in order to make that ornament. Let's get that one out there. You have your dish also, and again that's really good for your beads so they don't spill all over the table. And you have your 2-inch foam ball. You have your baggie with all of your bits and baubles there to do the top. You have your baggie with our iridescent green sequins. So there's just subtle color variations in the iridescence there. So you see maybe just a hint of gold, a hint of I guess like a pinkish purple. It's a really pretty color. And then of course you have your brass plated 3/4 inch sequin pins that come with that. So both of our ornaments, whether you are getting Nostalgic Peppermint or Christmas Cottage there, they're available now. Link is at the bottom of the description. So now let's see a 360 view of each of the ornaments.
Head on over to holidayslane.com. That's holidays with an S, where every day is a holiday.